Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Obviously, wherever there's chaos, most times the enemies capitalize on the misunderstanding of brothers, and this is exactly what Ipob is screaming and shouting and yelling over. And Mazen Nnamdi and the Ipob leadership are screaming right now while it is still early. But before we go to the news proper to find out what it is Ipobs are saying right now that is trending, and they're warning their leaders ahead of time. Before we do that, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Well, as we speak, the indigenous people of Biafra has uncovered plans, very sinister plans. In a statement signed by the Media and Publicity Secretary, Ima Powerful, IPOB warned prominent Igbo people, especially the politicians, to be very wary of security officers assigned to them. Wow. Let's find out what they're saying that. The group swore that they will not kill their own, saying ESN, IPOB, that's Indigenous People of Biafra, has no plan to bring down our own in Biafra land because we are going to get Biafra together. See what we have been saying since? Let's continue. It profits us nothing to bring down our own. It profits us nothing to kill our own, despite the treachery by some of them. Our people must be careful because Fulanis in Nigerian army and police uniforms are working tirelessly to ensure that Biafra businessmen, women and politicians are killed in order to pitch Biafrans against themselves and ultimately take undue advantage of the confusion to keep us in bondage. This has been one of the things we've been saying over and over again. Some persons have been thinking it was the other way around. But let's continue with the news. But we are smarter than all of them put together. IPOB is raising this alarm for the wise to apply wisdom and avoid being victim of this evil plot. Part of the statements I read now. It further alleged that security agencies have instructed their officers attached to politicians to start gradual elimination of Biafrans who they were assigned to protect. This is a strong one, oh. Let's continue. They further alleged that more than 68 innocent citizens are detained at the Stacia de Oka, Anambra State. It lamented that the country cannot contain the activities of unknown gunmen, that's UGM, but has rather decided to blame ESN operatives and IPOB members instead of investigating to unravel the perpetrators. Whoa. They alleged that the insistent arrest and secret abduction of suspected IPOB members at Izumbe, Agwa, and other parts of Ogota and Ohaji Ebema. Just yesterday, Obinna Unwuzi, the son of the man whose wife Olivia Unwuzi was adopted and detained in anti-kidnapping station at Owerri, Imo State, was adopted. Oh my God. It was alleged that the boy just returned from Ebonyi State University to see his family and was also arrested. His mother has also been detained for over 3 weeks, the group further alleged. Hey, this is getting messier and more disturbing. But before we go into full analysis, let's quickly feel the pulse of Nigeria. And this was what we've been saying severally over this matter, that look, a house divided by itself cannot stand. Yes, you have issues. Just at the beginning, before this whole thing became as if it's now northeast, we said, look, this is a brother issue. This is a brother to brother issue where governors and their sons and not so sons are working out the issues. It's not a Nigerian issue. It's just a Southeast issue. Amongst yourself, dialogue this out and work it out straight. You don't even need to bring it out for the whole world to hear. Okay, there are some ways the Southwest are doing it. Sunday Igbo, Sunday Igbo, Sunday Igbo, Sunday Igbo. Where is he now? Somehow he listens to his people. Yes, he may not be on the same page always with his people, but he has learned to listen to the elderly ones and the wise counsel of their elder ones. Because the truth of the matter is, when it matters the most, they will still need that Sunday Igbo when it matters. When the things get rough, they will need the likes of Sunday Igbo, their liar-keys, their Egbekoyas, to stand firm in the time of defending their ancestral land. But Sunday Igbo cannot say because he wants to get to the Dual Republic now, then he must do. Or see now, look at what is going on right now. Now, Emma Powerful had to claim, according to him, has to say, look, be careful. If anything happens, it is not IPOB or ESN. No, just look within yourself. The statement was actually made by Emma Powerful in a press release. Let us hear what Nigerians are saying concerning this matter. This one here is saying, ha ha ha, you will not kill your own, while you have been killing and threatening to kill more. This one here is saying, Kanu, your lies done too much. The security your ESN IPOB are killing, guess where they come from? Some of them are from Southeast. Shey you have killed many South and Southeast police and army since you started this your art. Well, this was an anti-Biafra. This one here saying, Igbo leaders, please be careful. This one here is saying, if governors past and present, let's eliminate them. I see no importance of them, that this is really bad. Why should this one be saying such a thing? Can you imagine what this young man is saying? Really, why would you want to say that? Look at what Emma Powerful is saying, that they don't have a hand in this. That's why they say, what's their usefulness? You may not know the usefulness of your parents until you become an orphan. You may not know the usefulness of, you say, after all, my father is a drunkard, my mother is a loose woman, a woman of loose virtue. Lose them, and you will now find out that parents, no matter how useless you quote and unquote they may look, they are so important when it matters the most. Don't ever say that, whether you like it or yes, it may. Sometimes you say they call them Sabatua and the rest, they still have the usefulness. They can still go down to Aso Rock and they will open door for them and they will hear them out. How many people can walk into Aso Rock and give them hearing? So we still have, no matter how bad anybody is, they still have their usefulness. Try to look at their strengths, and harness it. Work on their weaknesses and work on their weaknesses, play down on their weaknesses, but harness their strength. That way it is a win-win. We've been saying this several, the same persons have been saying, no, it's a case of saboteur. No way. Now just imagine, based on fathers alleged, that's not been proven yet, but based on the findings of Emma Powerful, if eventually, if this happens, do you know what it means? They definitely say it has been the rancor that has been going on in the southeast. Finally they have decided to start, going down with doing their elders or their governors or their politicians, whoever it is, they're actually pointing fingers at, and it will not all go well. It won't all go well. At the beginning, before this whole thing started, we all kept on shouting, sort this out amongst yourselves. Brothers fighting against brothers is so wrong. Ipob is out there, ESN is out there. It's just a matter of time. One of these days, both of them may likely clash over issue of interest. That's what we're saying. Look, it's a brother thing. Go in, stakeholders meeting, have a town hall meeting, heart-to-heart talk with your own. Don't take it off social media. With your own, sort it out. Your brothers, whether you like it or not, one of your relatives at some point is in government, or one of your relatives at some point is among the IPOB or ESN. So whichever way you want to do it, work out, slug it out, and find a way of having a long-lasting relationship such that there will be peace in the land. That's what we're going to wrap it up. Let's put in our comment section. What's your take? Now,